The Princess Who Became a Witch. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Sophia. Sophia loved playing in the magical forest near her castle. One night, while the moon was bright, Sophia found a pretty red flower. "How lovely," she said. But when Sophia touched the soft petals, she got a little pinch on her finger from a tiny thorn. "Ouch," said Sophia. A small drop of blood came from her finger where the thorn had poked her. That night, Sophia fell asleep. When she woke up, something strange had happened. Sophia looked in the mirror and saw that she had turned into a witch. Her skin was green and her hair was long and black. Her nightgown was gone and instead she wore a dirty black dress. Sophia was scared. She ran into the forest. "What will I do?" she wondered. Then a little mouse appeared. "I can help you break the spell," squeaked the mouse. He told Sophia that if she helped 10 forest animals, she would turn back to normal. The little mouse was the first to ask for Sophia's help. His cheese trap was empty, so Sophia gathered some cheese from the castle kitchen and set it in the trap. "Thank you, Princess Witch," squeaked the mouse. Next, Sophia came upon a rabbit hopping slowly through the forest. His foot was caught in a thorn bush. Sophia gently removed the thorns from his foot. "Thank you for your kindness," said the relieved rabbit. Deep in the forest, Sophia found a family of squirrels gathering nuts. But they didn't have enough to survive the cold winter. Sophia spent the afternoon gathering extra nuts and acorns to add to their stash. "You are most generous," the squirrels chattered. As the sun went down, Sophia was approached by a flock of worried birds. Many nests were broken and needed repair before laying eggs. Sophia fixed the nests with warm moss and twigs. "We are grateful for your help," the birds tweeted. In another part of the forest, a mother badger was out for her evening stroll with her babies. But the little ones were getting tired. Sophia gladly accompanied the badger family, telling stories to keep the cubs entertained until they finished their walk. It was getting dark when Sophia found the injured wolf limping beneath an old oak tree. His large paw was swollen and he could hardly put any weight on it. Sophia cleaned the paw carefully and wrapped it snugly with strips from her dress to help it heal. When the wolf asked for peace in the forest, Sophia vowed to help make his wish come true. As Sophia helped each forest animal, she began to feel better about her strange new situation. When the little mouse thanked her so sweetly, it brought a smile to Sophia's face. Even though she was still scared by her witch transformation, helping the others started to lift her gloomy mood. Sophia felt happy that she could ease the rabbit's pain by removing the thorn from his foot. His gratitude made her feel less alone in the forest. Tending to the squirrel family took Sophia's mind off her worries. She was glad to contribute extra nuts to help them survive the winter. Repairing the birds' nests with care filled Sophia with a sense of purpose. The tweets of thanks warmed her heart. Accompanying the badger cubs on their walk was fun. Sophia enjoyed seeing their smiles and hearing their giggles as she told stories. It made her feel less like a witch. Most of all, Sophia felt useful and caring when wrapping the wolf's injured paw. She wanted to help all the forest creatures, not scare them. And this gave her hope that she could still be kind despite her new frightful appearance. With each wish fulfilled, Sophia began to realize that being a witch might not be so bad if she could use her magic to help others. As Sophia tended to the raven's injured wing, he told her the story of how the rose bush came to be cursed. When she had finished helping him, the moon rose high in the night sky. Suddenly, Sophia felt a strange tingling all over. She watched in amazement as her green skin faded and her black dress melted away. The princess looked at her reflection in a nearby stream. She was herself again. The forest animals had been watching quietly. When they realized Sophia had broken the spell, They burst into cheers and applause. Overcome with joy, Sophia hugged all her new friends. "You have shown such kindness, you will always be our friend," said the mouse. After that, Sophia went to the magical forest as much as she could. The people from the village were scared of the woods before, but then they saw Sophia playing nicely with the animals. They realized the forest wasn't scary, but full of cool things. Sophia helped the wolf teach his friends and the village people to get along. She showed them how to be friends even though they were different. Remember the mean witch that put the spell on the forest? She couldn't be mean anymore. Sophia taught everyone that when you're nice to others and make friends, even strong magic can't hurt. Sophia changed the story, not just for her, but for the whole enchanted forest. She showed everyone that it's good to be friends with people who seem different, and it's important to help anyone who needs it. The end.